Section 7. How bills become law. Number 1. Only the House of Representatives can start a tax bill. The Senate may suggest changes in it. It must approve the bill by a majority vote. Number 2. When any bill is approved by both the House and the Senate, it is sent to the President. There are 4 ways the President can deal with the bill. A. If the President likes the bill, he signs it, it becomes law. B. If the President does not like the bill, he may veto it and send it back to Congress. Veto is a Latin word which means I forbid. If the members of Congress still like the bill, they can vote on it again. If 2/3 of the members of both houses vote for the bill this time, it becomes law without the President's approval. This is called overriding the veto. When this happens, everyone's votes must be recorded. C. If, while Congress is meeting, the President keeps a bill for 10 days without signing it or vetoing it, the bill becomes law without his approval. D. If less than 10 days remain before Congress adjourns, the President may hold the bill without signing it until Congress adjourns. The bill does not become a law. This is called a pocket veto.